Joining Wabs Talk was the best decision of my life. While preparing for interviews, I was confused. I wanted to develop my English speaking capabilities, but I lacked the guidance. And then I joined Wabs Talk. At Wabs Talk, the personalized attention by Sir and other trainers helped me identify my particular problems and work upon them. Along with this, the competitive yet supportive environment amongst the trainees helped me improve at a very fast pace and gave me friends for life. These progress were consolidated by the various competitions held by WabsTalk, of which the pinnacle was the Public Speaking Championship. In short, I would like to say that WabsTalk is not a training institute, it's a way of life. It's a way of life where people from different spheres of life come together and help, motivate, and inspire each other to put in the best of our efforts, and which is the best way to improve.